Just a quick tip here. Have you noticed your AC cools poorly on acceleration on your Honda? I just wanted to let you know that that's a normal characteristic. The AC is controlled by the engine computer, and when it senses that you're, say, pulling away from a stop or you want to pass somebody, it shuts down that AC compressor to give you more horsepower. Because these AC compressors can really rob the horsepower on these small little engines, especially 4-cylinders. So that's a normal characteristic, so there's nothing to be concerned about if you notice that when you take off from a stop or pass somebody and you notice all of a sudden the air starts blowing warmer, and then as soon as you ease up off the accelerator you feel the cool come back. Perfectly normal operation under a Honda. Also, while I'm thinking of it, certain older Civics, it was really common to have it go on and off under 20 miles per hour, and so Honda came out with an update to the engine computer. So if you have an older Civic and it has never had that update performed on the engine computer, you might be experiencing that more than what the normal is. Even with that engine computer update, it'll still do the same thing because it's a normal characteristic on these Hondas. So anyway, I just wanted to give you that quick tip, and as always, if it helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.